through their ears, you know. No, you don't. Through their jaws. What are they? Jaws. So it's voracious. Fish, toad, serpent.
I've got a viper in this box, you know.
Really? Good gracious me.
Oh, yes, it's not an ass. It looks rather like an ass, but isn't one. It's a viper. Some people can't tell the difference between a viper and an ass. More fool them, I say. Ha, ha, ha.
Yes.
Cleopatra had an ass. It bit her in the bra. I'd rather have a viper myself.
Well, that's all right then, isn't it?
Not that they're cheaper to run. Oh, no, if anything, the viper is more voracious than the ass. My viper eats like a horse.
Like a horse, eh?
Oh, yes, yes. Yes, I'd like a horse. Yes, I've always yearned for a horse. I'd love to have a horse. Mind you, you never cram a horse into a little box like this. It's too small for a horse.
Yes, it would be difficult, I can see that.
Wouldn't be difficult, it'd be bloody impossible. Some people think I've got a toad in here.
Really?
If they knew me, they'd know I wouldn't have a toad in here. I can't abide toads. Vipers devour toads, you know. They devour them. They come up slinkily behind the crouching toad, and suddenly there's nothing to smile about here. And suddenly, the toad goes all the way down the viper's belly. You can see it starting off large at its throat, and then it got smaller and smaller and smaller until it is ejected like a small black barrow.
Terry, can I have your pad?
Hired buttocks. Rent a bum.